Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $300 per day as a broke individual. Okay, so if you're looking at this video, that means you like to look at videos about make money online, make passive income, or just ways so you can create multiple streams of income, right? Or maybe just a way where you can make some fast money, some extra money on the side. Well, if you like content like that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I come up with consistent content teaching you just that, okay, along with giving out some product reviews. So let's go ahead and get to the content. You want to make $300 per day online, but you do not have any money to make this money, right? Because when you're starting an online business or any business at all, you need money to make money, all right? But this method, you don't need any money. All you need is your laptop with internet access, an Amazon account, and an eBay account. Okay, but you will need a credit card or some form of payment, but you won't pay anything until you make the money. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the content here. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Amazon. Okay, this model is basically drop shipping, but without AliExpress and without creating your own Shopify or Etsy or any kind of website that you have to then put the product from AliExpress onto your site. Okay, we're going to eliminate that. We're going to eliminate having to create a website, having to integrate products into a store, having to find take hours and hours to find that one product, having to design a store. We're going to eliminate all of that with a simple drop shipping method between Amazon and eBay. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to come to Amazon, make your account, and we're going to come to the sales, today's deals. Okay, so today's deals, this is where Amazon posts all of their products that online that have a deal, right? So they're usually selling lower or cheaper than their normal retail price or what they normally sell at. Okay, so we see we have some good products. We have some Crest, some USB hub and docking station. Let's see if we can find a good product. You know, what you want to do is you want to find a product that you can then go and sell on eBay. All right. So we're going to pick a product and see. Let's see. So we have lock laces. No. Ankle wireless charger. Wireless charging pad. We also want to pick something that has a good amount of sales on Amazon already. But nothing too costly, nothing too expensive. Let's see. Off echo buttons, no. Stove counter gap cover. Let's see what that is. Well, maybe no, let's not see that. Okay. Let's pick the PS4 controller charger. Okay. So this is a deal. Right now, the deal is $7.65. Its regular price is $13.99. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this same title, the name of the product here. We're going to copy it. Charging for the Sony and PlayStation. So we're going to go that far, copy it, Control C, and come over to eBay, and let's see if someone is selling the same exact remote, the same exact product on eBay here. All right, so we can tell there's 2,248 results with the same title as it is on Amazon. Okay, so on Amazon right now they're selling it with a deal for $7.65. So, and on eBay right now we see that they're going for $6.70, $6.80, $5.90. So maybe this product is not good. This is not a good product because right now with the deal on Amazon, someone is selling it here for $3.97 brand new. I'm sorry, $13.97 brand new. $6.80 to $12.99. $11.65, $16.80. So you see, this is how we're going to make money. Okay, once we create our Amazon account, create our eBay account, and then find a product like this one here that has a deal going on for $7.65, we're going to post it on eBay for a higher price. All right. It's the same thing that big retailers are doing. Same thing that people do when they're drop shipping with AliExpress from China. But we're just doing it in a more simplified way to make some profit. Okay. So if we can use the same description, same title, as is down here. So we'll copy and paste this, right? We'll copy that, come on to eBay. Once you create your eBay account, you're going to sell. Okay. You can create, up to I think 20 or 30 posts, when you're selling a product on eBay at first, if you haven't had any sales. But the more sales you get, the more eBay allows you to make more, postings to sell things. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm not going to show you right here, but what you do is you create an eBay account, you sell, you come here to the sale, you post this product with the product description, with the title, with the photos and everything, just like it is on Amazon. But instead of selling it for $7.65, you're going to sell it for that regular retail price, $13.99 or maybe $12.99. Okay. And then because what happens is after this comes off of sale here, what you're going to do is you can sell it for maybe $15.99 instead of 12 or 13. Okay. And then get a little profit, but your profit is not going to be as big as it is with this remote on sale on Amazon. Okay. So once you post it on eBay and someone comes and say, oh, I like this remote control, it's brand new. Oh, and it's only $13.97. They're going to come to your eBay posting. They're going to purchase your product, and when they purchase your product, you're going to they're going to give you their shipping information, and then however they pay, it's going to go straight to your account on eBay or PayPal. And then with the funds that they pay you for the remote on eBay, you're going to come on Amazon and say, all right, let me buy this product for $7.65. You're going to put the information that your customer bought on eBay into Amazon, and this Amazon seller will then ship it directly to your customer. Okay. So let's see what our profit would be. Let me open up the calculator real quick. So let me open up the calculator here. So if we sell it for, let's say $13.97. $13.97, and we're going to purchase it for $7.65. That means we made a profit of $6.32. Okay, so to make $300 a day, all you do is 300 divided by $6. What was it, $6.35 or 32? All you need to make 47 sales per day. Oh no, sorry. You only need to make 47 sales, per day to make $300 per day. Okay. So the same method works. Just if you find another product, play with the numbers, see if you can find a cheaper product that you can sell higher with a higher margin on eBay. And then that gets you to that $300 a day faster with having to sell less. But this is the exact same business model that a lot of people are using, because most of the people here on eBay that are posting, a lot of them aren't posting their own product. They're posting products from Amazon or posting products from AliExpress that they drop ship directly to their customer. Okay. And we're doing the same exact thing. We're just going straight from Amazon to eBay. So guys, that is the technique that can make you $300 per day right now without having to spend a dime before you make a dime. So it's a good method that you can utilize. If you'd like to look at some other courses or programs that can help you get to where you want to get to financially with making money online and making passive income in multiple streams, check out the links in the description. My number one recommendation will be below. All right. You can check it out anytime you want to, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this. If it was some value to you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like this video, and also comment if you're using this business model right now today, whether it be AliExpress, Shopify, or this model from Amazon to eBay, or and then purchasing from Amazon and shipping to your eBay customer. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and anybody can do this. Okay. If you have a question, comment. Also, don't forget to leave it in the comments below. All right. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.